back to my channel. I wanted to do this quick intro for you guys because this video is actually going to be you going through the process of me of my first huge t-shirt order. For me, it's huge because I'm an in-home t-shirt company, so a lot of my orders are kind of small, but this one is actually pretty big. This one is actually 150 t-shirts, 150 masks, and 150 rally towels. The mask and the towels are sublimation, and then the t-shirts are actually vinyl. So I have to do a lot of weeding, a lot of printing, but I'm major excited. So you guys stay tuned. Let's get it. With this thing where I have decided that I am going to race my machine. So I am going to see how fast I can weed one sheet while the other one is going. So that is my system. I am weeding while one is running. When that one comes out, I load another one and then I weed right here on my heat press, which makes the weeding process much easier. So let's get back to it. I did not realize that there was a such thing as a cold peel and a warm peel. So, lucky me, I ordered a vinyl that is not just easy pull off, keep it pushing. I had to order a vinyl that is complicated. So, I started off with this issue. It was coming off of the shirt. So as I was peeling it off, it was just coming off with the paper. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So I did some research, figured it out, and the solution I came up with is, because this is not the type of vinyl that you can just pull off, to speed up the the cooling process of the vinyl itself, I took this lid off of a water bottle, which is actually stainless steel on the top, and I put it on an ice pack. This is just what we're doing. It is what it is. So I've been sitting it on top of there, and then once I press the shirt, then I release it. I take this, I rub it over top of the whole design, and then afterwards I have to slowly peel it off, which is really taking up a lot of time. Mario, you have to be quiet. It's really taking up a lot of extra time, but you know what? It's like we rolling with the punches over here. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing. So let's get back to it. Got my roller, got a box. I decided I'm not gonna skip no steps. I'm just gonna keep it going, okay? So let's get to it. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to lay something out on my table, like a tablecloth or something. So when I lay my clean shirts down, I'm not worried about nothing getting on them. They're all fresh and clean. And then I also plan on putting the shirt on the back of something. So once I get it all stacked up, probably to like counts of 10, I will probably just kind of fold them in half and then fold them in half again and put them back in the box just like I got them out of the box, just for a professional touch to go into it, so they're not just kind of like all thrown in the box. The last thing I have to do is the mask. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of those and then I'm just going to rock out. So let's go. The mask, I have some more of those to do, but after I get finished with that, I'll be completely done. I have had a very busy last 4 days. It was a lot to get all of those shirts done, towel done, mask done, but I'm at the end. I got it done. So thank you guys for going on this journey with me. I hope that if nothing else, it was entertaining. So you guys stay tuned for more videos, and you guys be good. Thank you for coming to Marcella's Way.